Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Sorry, it's been a minute. I've been busy. I got my Pfizer vaccine. Go Team Science. So anyways, it's been a minute. So I wanted to talk to you today about a Sephora Favorites kit that I just picked up. It's the Sephora Favorites Pop Big Beauty Vibes. And this is something different in the Sephora Favorites line. This was only $12 and it's supposed to be a $59 value. So I was so excited to get this. It went on, well, I got an email on, let's see, I think March the 10th, saying that it was limited quantities. And so I haven't made a Sephora purchase yet this year. So after 15 minutes of it being live, I was able to get it. And so let's go over it. I'm really excited. I'm a big fan of Sephora Favorites kits, as you can see. So this one's pretty exciting because I don't think I've ever paid $12 for a Sephora box. So let's look at it real quick. It has this cute little pop graphic, and this slides out. You have a little card here, you are next level, and that was kind of fun. And then you have a sheet of pop stickers, it looks like, cute with the little lips and makeup. So I will definitely use those. Then you've got some Sephora Favorites paper, and they're just put into the box loosely. They're not in any kind of, they're just, I mean, basically you're paying for sample. I'm always excited to get my hands on one of these little mini kits because you get to try everything without buying full-size items. And I've heard so much about Tower 28. I've heard about their blushes and a lot about their lip gloss. So I was really wanting to try this teeny tiny little lip gloss. It's so cute. It's in the shade Chill, and it is a value of about $4.25 because the regular size is $12. This is a clear gloss, and I've never tried anything from Tower 28. So let me check it out. Okay, it kind of smells pina colada. Yeah. Anyways, I'll have to, it feels good. Let me read what it says about it. But clear gloss is all the rage right now, and I'm getting back into lip gloss after forever of being out of lip gloss. And I did find out the name of that lip gloss that I was trying to remember from junior high. It was made by Bonnie Bell. It was so funny because when I went to read about the reviews for Tower 28, there was another girl on there who was saying the same thing. She was remembering the junior high roll-on lip glosses from Bonnie Bell and how much she was enjoying lip gloss again. And it was just so ironic because that's what I was talking about with lip gloss in my last video. So anyways, I was glad it was a clear one. It feels really good. And let me read about it. It says it's a non-sticky moisturizing gloss for soft, shiny lips with a touch of color. Okay, so all the comments on this were about 5-star. The highlighted ingredients are apricot kernel oil, raspberry seed oil, and rosehip oil. So, and rosehip contains vitamins A and E, so that's good for lips. Raspberry seed oil is protection against free radicals. And yeah, so it's a Clean It Sephora brand, and I've heard so much about Tower 28, so I was really happy to get this. So, yeah, sounds good. Okay, next, Grande Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm going to insert a little clip here. I wanted to get, this is the Grande Lash MD Serum. Now, I'm using the one for brows, and I'm in a 3-month because I got some for the Christmas sale. Anyways, I'm going to insert my clip here of what this is doing for my brows. This is a 4-week supply. Normally, the 6-week supply is $34. So that makes this a $22.60 value. This stuff is expensive. I do plan on purchasing the large $120 one. maybe at the upcoming Sephora sale. So, but this is actually working for me. This is the one for the lashes, but I'm putting it on my brows because if you read the ingredients list, they're identical except for maybe I think one ingredient. So I'm using this lash serum on my brows. They do make a brow serum as well. So whatever you can get your hands on, this is a very good value in this box. So I was happy to get one of those. Next, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. This has niacinimide in it, and this is about 1/8 of the size of the normal $34. So this makes this worth $4.25. It has the watermelon scent. It's in a little pump, so cute. I love the whole line. I want to be picking up some more of the watermelon line, maybe the body lotion at the Sephora sale. So I always love the Glow Recipe products. I also want to pick up the watermelon lip balm and the blueberry lip balm. I really love this brand, so I really wanted this. A breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy reflective glow without mica, glitter, or gray cast. For normal dry combination and oily skin, targets dryness and dullness. It's a lightweight gel formula. Niacinimide, that is one of my favorite ingredients. The watermelon hydrates and delivers essential vitamins and amino acids, visibly brightens, and then hyaluronic acid, which is in everything, is not very expensive but holds 1,000 times its weight in water. So this is a really good, I really was looking forward to trying that. So this is such a great little box. Next item is from JLo Beauty, and you know JLo just released, this is that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. So the reviews on this are fairly good. They compare it kind of like to the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Cream, with one comment being that they wish that it came in a tube like this sample, but actually the product comes in a jar. By looking at the jar, it's a big lucite. You're paying for packaging for sure. But anyways, this cream also has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid's in everything. It's very inexpensive. My ordinary hyaluronic acid, I swear that little bottle was like 10 bucks. And you can put it into anything you want. So that's why it's in everything. It's a great ingredient, but it's an inexpensive ingredient. And a JLo Beauty 1.7 ounce is $58. So that makes this size worth about $8.69. It's supposed to be like a heavy cream. I don't know. I mean, JLo's my age, but in her 50s. But I mean, I'm not buying any of this line because whatever product she's been using, she's already used. So it's not like, you know what I mean? I mean, she's already... It feels okay. It kind of smells like... I don't know. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm interested in trying it. But my fingers do seem to have a glow on them. So it's kind of a light pink. It feels okay. I'll try it. Some of the reviews were really good. And then some were bad. They said nothing special. But then others said for a celebrity brand it's pretty good. So I'll just have to try it, but I'm not really interested in JLo's line just because whatever she used to get that glow, it wasn't this. Because it just came out. So anyways, okay, but you know, fun. I am interested to trying it, just not interested in paying high dollar for that. I liked her Inglot stuff that she did, though. JLo previously had a line with Inglot. I don't know if you remember, but I do. Okay, so I've never heard of this brand. It's called Better But Younger. This is a hair mask made out of plant-based butters. There's 5 of them. This is a $35 item, so this 2-ounce jar is worth about $10.20. It has mango butter, macadamia, seed butter, cupacho butter, avocado butter, murumura butter, and vitamin E. So that sounds really, really good and very inexpensive. I want to smell it. This is the biggest item in the box and definitely want to try it. It's free of a lot of bad stuff. There's a big old list. and it contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance. So I'm curious to know what it smells like. I thought it smelled like mango or something, but it smells pleasant. It smells fresh. Yeah, it smells like nice hair product. So anyways, I'm looking forward to trying that. I don't know what it smells like. Maybe a light, I don't know, it feels good. I'm gonna put it in my hands. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, well, I'm looking forward to trying this. Hair Redemption Restorative Butter. And that is from Better Not Younger. And last but not least, my favorite perfume. I don't know if y'all have ever watched my Sephora favorites and Sephora recommendations. This is the Maison Margiela Replica in Beach Walk. And this is so cute. I had to buy it. Beach Walk is what I haven't bought in a while because I've got a backup. You know, I'm good. I am not buying stuff. I need to get out of debt is what I need to do. So anyways, this is so cute, but it's a mini apothecary style bottle with the linen label. Isn't that so cute? So these are, they have a set of two, Beach Walk and Jazz Club for $25. So that is the most adorable. I said to be real careful opening it up, but I do love Beach Walk. It's not my favorite beach fragrance. Bobbi Brown Beach is my favorite, and also the discontinued Urban Decay Naked Beach perfume oil. But anyways, so everything in this box I wanted. So I wanted this little baby Replica, my favorite scent. Wanted to try Tower 28. The Grande I am using on my brows. It's working good. Glow Recipe, I absolutely love a lot of their stuff. I've got the pink sleeping mask. I've got of course, the mist, and a few other, something in the baby set. But anyways, love the Watermelon Glow Recipe. Don't care much about J-Lo, but I'll try it. And, oh, the thing I want to say is I don't like how she turned it around during the inauguration when she was singing. I can't remember what she was singing, but she interjected her Let's Get Loud in the middle of the inauguration. I did not appreciate that. I thought, you know, J-Lo's really classy. I can't believe she did that. Oh my God. But anyways, didn't care for that. So I'm not about J-Lo anymore. But I do like the Butter Younger. Looking forward to trying this out. Never heard of the brand. But anyways, so excited about this little $12 box. It's so great. And then I also picked up this Pat McGrath Lip Gloss Set. Again, getting into the lip glosses. This was on sale. I want to say I paid like, I don't know, 14 bucks, 16 bucks, but it had a pretty cool trio of lip glosses. I've never tried her lip gloss formula, so I'm looking forward to that, and it was on the clearance. So anyways, okay, so that's going to do it for this one. My name's Jackie. Please like, subscribe, leave me a message. Upcoming videos. Of course, I've got a TJ Maxx and Marshall's makeup haul. I am cleaning up on the Becca stuff that's starting to come in, and I got some of the Marc Jacobs Cherry collection, a few other things, not too much, but then another video on Becca Breaking My Heart, because you know that Becca is one of my all-time favorite brands. They make my favorite highlighter, blush. I like their lip gloss, their lipstick. It's a little greasy, but they make the best bronzers, the best face palettes. I am absolutely crushed that Becca's going out of business, so I'm going to cry about that in a video and show my Becca collection and other things that I've picked up. And oh, also the Ulta beauty event's going on right now, and I didn't do a video on it because the only thing that I'm thinking about on the sale, and I thought I could just run through this brochure real quick, but we're already into the first part of the week, and tomorrow, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighters are going to be half priced. And that for me is the deal of the sale. So those are normally $38. They'll be on sale tomorrow for half price. And they'll have all the colors. A lot of Becca stuff is already getting sold out. Even though they're not closing down until September, a lot of things are disappearing. So this is your chance to get Champagne Pop, Topaz, Opal, Rose Quartz, Rose Gold, Moonstone, Chocolate Geode is stunning. I think you can still get Pearl, the white highlighter. But anyways, if you've never tried Becca, you must get one of these highlighters. You have to have it. I mean, it'll last you forever anyways. That's probably why they're going out of business, because, you know, unless you just want a different color, these highlighters are absolutely fabulous. It was kind of a snooze fest this year, so, and I've bought very little at Ulta. I picked up the LA Girl, the new big palettes. I got the, it's their festival. One of them is kind of a blue and green one, and then the other one looks very similar to one I already have. It's pinks with some yellows. But anyways, I do have those coming up. Of course, Ulta shipped it and broke it again. Even though they put it in a box, they still don't know how to ship. They put both palettes together in a big box and they just slammed against each other, so that took care of that. But anyways, not buying too much, just enjoying the collection I have and trying to get out of debt. So stay tuned for my next videos. And for all of my friends who are looking for me, Linda, thank you so much for checking on me. I've got a whole lot of things planned. Specifically, I'm going to go over the Sephora Favorites kits. I've got a big collection of those. A lot of them aren't even opened, but that's when Sephora Favorites used to really be something. And I thought about showing you my entire NARS collection that I bought at TJ Maxx, my entire Bare Minerals collection from TJ Maxx. I still haven't done my Tarte collection back when Maureen owned the company. Basically, it's a hoarder collection by brand. But anyways, that's kind of what I've been working on for my videos, and just using. Today I'm wearing a full face of Becca because I'm so upset. I am wearing the Bali Sands bronzer. I am wearing the Tiger Lily blush. I'm wearing the Find Your Light, Own Your Light highlighter, the Pearl Glow eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I am very upset about Becca going out of business. So, I mean, I'm good. I already had a stash before this happened. So anyways, I'll catch you on those videos. Stay tuned and please check out my playlist for more. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.